Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a video of my car here. We're on Ridgeline that goes in Hildebrand. This is a new road that's being constructed. I don't know how far up we're going to be able to go, but we'll see how far, eh? And we might have to drive on some dirt, but we'll see. And also kind of want to give you guys the view of my car here a little bit. The night, what it looks like. I know, you can't really see much. Mostly here though. Okay, so let's go, shall we? That little hiss you hear in the background sometimes, vibrating, this is a fairly old car, so it makes noises. Alright, so we'll go up, right now this is Ridgeline, but it's supposed to turn into Hildebrand up toward the top here. As you can see, there's a new church. The developers in the Tri-Cities, a lot of them are LDS, so as part of the process they'll build a worship center. Okay, now this should be Hildebrand. No, it's not, it's Clodfelter. There's one little problem with Clodfelter. It's currently under construction. You can't see it here. So we're just going to have to well, I'm going to have to film this another time, I think. Let me figure this out here, okay? What we're probably going to do is I know I can turn right here at Clodfelter, and we'll eventually end up back up at Central Kennewick, but anyway. I'm going to look at the map because I want to say that the Hildebrand extension actually comes into where Clodfelter hooks up with 10th and everything. So, okay. And that road's still... Actually, though, let's give this a try. It might work. Alright, you see what I'm talking about down here? So I'm going to slow down here a bit. Now, Wheat Road converges. So we're going to go down Wheat Road here. Which is currently a dead end, apparently. And indeed, as you can see, it is not going to be a dead end for long because you can sort of see in the distance where they're putting Hildebrand in right up here, where you see that mound of dirt, and then that's going to be the Hildebrand extension. So let's turn around, shall we? Because we're not going to be able to successfully traverse that. I'll do it during the daytime sometime so that you guys can see it better, and I'll probably take it from the other side of that. Sorry, do a little bit of space there. Anyway, so we're back on the other road here. quad filter, and when we get back up to Ridgeline, we'll head down Ridgeline and then down to Clearwater, and then head out Clearwater and do what we're going to do. And like I said, another time we'll see about the other stuff. So I sort of just want to give you guys a little view of the gauges here real quick. Alright. This is Ridgeline Drive. There's the new LDS meeting hall. You're not going to be able to see it from over here too well. I wonder how many wards are going to be in that building. Isn't it so funny being a member of that church? Anyway. So, we're back to civilization. Take care. Have a good night.